Recently, I have seen this jigsaw puzzle on the internet. It looks very interesting. I can replicate it using 3D printer. Of course, I will play and solve the puzzle. Keep watching. Welcome to the TubeU channel. Let's start. First, design the model using Fusion 360. Open Fusion 360. Create a simple sketch. The base is 100 x 100 mm square. Add 1 mm offset. Each puzzle piece is a simple combination of 2 x 1 plus 1 x 1 plus 5 x 1 rectangle parts. Extrude them to 2 mm height as a shallow model. Extrude them to 5 mm height as high model. Print them. You will need 11 puzzle pieces. Okay, let's start playing. You can see why I said it is simple. Each puzzle is completely the same. The base square is 10 x 10 equal 100 cm square. Each puzzle piece have 8 cm square. Total 11 puzzles have 88 cm square. You have 12 vacancy space. It has plenty of space to put them all inside. I'm not good at a puzzle game, but it seems that the corner is very important. Put the first pieces to the corner. Then add more. Oh, the last piece is a little bit large. Can't go anymore. Try again. 2 pieces 5 cm length can fill one side. If only use one, the left space can only add another 3, but no more. It is tricky. I see why it is said high level difficulty. 1 hour later. Okay, till now I have got some ideas. Since every step when you add a new puzzle, it will just fit, you are very lucky. Or leave some space. What we can do is make this space as small as possible. The best is 1 vacancy, 1 space. Based on this main idea, try again. Finally, I finished the puzzle. It is not so easy, in fact, but I think I still can handle it. How about you, my friend? If you have seen the video here, please do me a favor. Subscribe to my channel and click the small bell, so you will not miss an update. TubeU channel is waiting for you.